Hello and good morning to all. Welcome to your computer class. Well, it's the 12th part of our second chapter, that is number system. And in today's video, we have to discuss the questions of binary multiplication. Now let's begin. Well, today we will discuss these 4 questions which I have gave you as homework in the previous classes. Well, today we will discuss all these 4 questions, then in our next class or in our next video we will start with binary division, and then we have to conclude this chapter with the questions of binary division. So now let's start and let's see all the questions one by one. Now let's start with our first question. Our first question is 1011 with a base of 2, and in this we are multiplying 110 with a base of 2. Well, first of all you have to note down both of these numbers like this. First you will write your first number by separating all the digits a bit, and then you have to write the second number from the right side. Fine, something like this. And then over this side we have to put the sign of multiplication. Now we have to multiply these numbers by using the simple rules of mathematics. Well, first you have to multiply this above number with this 0. Fine. So when you will do so, it will be 0 multiplied by 1, 0, 0 multiplied by 1, 0, 0 multiplied by 0, 0, and 0 multiplied by 1, 0. Then over this side you have to put a cross. Then we have to multiply this above number with our second digit, that is 1. So we will write 1 multiplied by 1, that is 1, then 1 multiplied by 1, that is 1, then 1 multiplied by 0, that will be 0, and then 1 multiplied by 1, that will be 1. Fine. Now in the next step we have to multiply this number with this third digit. So for that, first we have to place 2 crosses over this side, and now we have to multiply it. Well, now in this step when you will multiply, it will be 1 multiplied by 1, 1 multiplied by 1, that will be 1, then 1 multiplied by 0 will be 0, and then 1 multiplied by 1 will be 1. So now here we have these digits. Now you simply have to add these digits by using the concepts of binary addition. Fine. So now first you have to note down the 0, because 0 to cross mein add hoga nahi. Then we have the 0 plus 1, it will be 1 only. Then we have this 1 plus 1, result will be 0, and a carry of 1 will be generated, which I am writing over this side. Now you have to add this carry with this 1, because 0 ki koi value nahi hoti hai, so we will not add that. So now 1 plus 1 will be 0, and a carry of 1 will be generated. Now again we have to add this carry and this 1. Your result will be 0, and a carry of 1 will be again generated. Now you have to add this carry with this 1. So the result will be 0, and 1 carry will come over this side. We have to note down this carry over this side, and our final answer will be 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 with a base of 2. Fine. Now let's see our second question. Our second question is 1 0 1 0 1, and in this we are multiplying this 0 1 1. Now let's write this. First you have to note down the number like this. Now we have to multiply these digits. It will be 1 multiplied 1 will be 1. 1 multiplied by 0 will be 0, then 1 multiplied by 1 will be 1, 1 multiplied by 1 will be 0, 1 multiplied by 1 will be 1. Then over this side you have to put a cross, and then you have to multiply this above number with this 1. So it will be similar, 1 0 1 0 1, and then you have to multiply this whole digit with this remaining number, that is 0. So the result will be 0 for all the cases. Now you simply have to add this. So it will be 1. For this side it will be 1 again. Here again it will be 1. Here again it will be 1. Then again 1. And then 1. And then you have to note down the 0. Now your final answer will be 0 1 1 1 1 1 1 with a base of 2. Fine. Now let's move to our question number 3. It is 10110 multiplied by 11. So First we have to note down the numbers. Now let's multiply and solve. So first you have to multiply this above number by this 1. Your result will be the similar number. That will be 1 multiplied by 0 will be 0. 1 multiplied by 1 will be 1. 1 multiplied by 1 will be 1. 1 multiplied by 0 will be 0. And 1 multiplied by 1 will be 1. Now over this side we have to place a cross. And then again we have to multiply this above number with this 1. So result will be the similar one as the previous one. That's it. Now we have to add all these digits. It will be 0, then 1 plus 0 will be 0. 1 plus 1 will give you a result of 0 and a carry of 1 will be generated. Now you have to add this carry with this one, result will be 0 and a carry of 1 will be generated. Now you have to add this carry and this carry, result will be 0 and again a carry of 1 will be generated. Now you have to add this one and this one, your result will be 0 and a carry of 1 will be generated. This carry we can write down this side. That's it. Now our final answer is 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 with a base of 2. Now let's move to our last question of binary multiplication. It is 1 1 0 1 0 1 and we are multiplying this number by 1 0 1 0. 1 1 0 1 0 1 and then 0 1 in the reverse order. Fine. Now let's multiply. So first when you will multiply this whole number by 0, result will be 0. So we have to note down 6 times 0. 0 0 0 0 0 and 0. Now you have to multiply this above number by 1. So it will be 1 multiplied by 1 will be 1. 1 multiplied by 0 will be 0. 1 multiplied by 1 will be 1. 1 multiplied by 0 will be 0. 1 multiplied by 1 will be 1 and 1 multiplied by 1 will be 1. Now over this side we have to put 2 crosses and then again you have to multiply it by 0. When you will do so, your result will be 0. So we have to note down 0 6 times. 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we have to put 3 crosses because now we are multiplying with our last one. Well, you will get the similar result as of this first state. So it will be 1 multiplied by 1 will be 1. 1 multiplied by 0 will be 0. 1 multiplied by 1 will be 1. Then 1 multiplied by 0 will be 0. Then 1 multiplied by 1 will be 1. And then again 1 multiplied by 1 will be 1. That's it. Now you just have to add all these numbers. Now let's add these numbers. So it will be 0. Then over this side we have this 0 and 1 that we can add. So the result will be 1 only. Then we have 3 zeros. It will give you a result of 0. Then we have 0 1 0 1. So we can ignore these zeros. You just have to add these two ones. Your result will be 0 and a carry of 1 will be generated. Now we have 1 carry and 4 zeros. Result will be 1. Fine. Then we have 0 1 0 1 again. So we can ignore these zeros and we have to add these two ones. Your result will be 0 and a carry of 1 will be generated. Now you have to add this carry with this one. Your result will be 0 and a carry of 1 again will be generated. Now you have to add this carry with this one. Your result will be 0 and a carry of 1 will be generated. Now you have to add this 1 and your result will be 0 again and a carry of 1 will be generated. And then you have to note down this carry over this side. So now our last and the final answer is 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 1 0 with a base of 2. That's it. So these were some questions of binary multiplication. I hope that you have got all the questions properly. But if still you have any doubt or any query regarding any of these questions, then you can comment down all your queries in the comment section. Well, till then, keep learning, stay safe, stay healthy and keep supporting us. And thank you for watching this video.